Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a before bed, getting ready for bed skincare routine. So taking my makeup off and taking you through the steps that I take. You guys can let me know if you want more skincare and kind of like a favorites of skincare and more skincare in general. But this is going to be kind of a basic, how I get ready for bed, how I take my makeup off, steps that I take getting ready for bed with my skincare, I guess. So let's get started taking off our makeup and accessories and our bra and our lashes. Oh, let me pick those up. That's important. Gotta go back to a zero real quick. So I'm gonna do all of that, put my robe on, and we'll get started. So the first step to actually removing and cleansing is, for me, I go in with a makeup removing wipe. Just get wipes from Marshall's, and I usually get like the biggest pack. They have like 60 wipes, 50 wipes, whatever. And I usually get ones that sound attractive to me. So something, you know, like tea tree oil or vitamin E. This one is green tea with vitamin E. And I'll get something like that, or something that says like coconut, or something that just has words that sound like something I want on my face, because I don't use the wipes by themselves. I use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar water. So what I do is I just wet the wipe with the micellar water just until it's really moist, and I just go in and actually use that to remove all of my makeup. So now that the makeup is off, I'm going to actually start cleansing my skin. So I'm going to be using two cleansers. I have a really bad breakout right now, so I'm going to use the Clean and Clear Acne Control Cleanser, and I'm mixing that with the Garnier Skin Active Deep Pore Facial Cleanser. Mix it. So to get a really good deep cleanse, I like to go in with my Vanity Planet spin brush. This is such a cool system, and it comes with its own little carrying case, which is so cute. It's great for keeping it looking nice and clean and secure in your house, but it's great for travel as well. You get your spin brush right here, as well as 3 heads. So you have your cleansing head right here, you have a deeper cleansing head here for maybe the body, and then you have like a silicone cleansing brush here. The brush also has multiple speeds, which is really cool, and I love how after I use this I can just put it right back in there, and it keeps everything nice and secure. The batteries go right here. Of course, it's waterproof. So your first speed, which is a nice, it looks slow, but it's a very deep cleansing speed. And then you have your second speed, which is really fast, and this will get you an even deeper clean. It's super soft on the skin. I'm gonna use the softer. It's super gentle on the skin, and you really don't have to do any work. You can kind of just move it around, and it really does the work for you. It gives such a deep clean, and it feels like you have, like you're getting a facial in your house. Like it feels like a facial. And what I love about it is, like, sometimes I get really bad breakouts. Like I used to suffer with really bad acne, and so sometimes when I break out, like I'm breaking out right now, I don't want to like hurt my skin. You don't want to rub too much, because that will just inflame the skin more. This just feels really soothing and really like cleansing, but in a very gentle way. I love using this, and you can use it in the shower as well, because it's waterproof, and it just feels so good on the skin. It feels so relaxing, but at the same time, like, it's really cleansing. Looking it up online for you guys, the Ultimate Skin Spa comes in 3 colors. So it comes in a blue, which is what I have. It comes in a pink and a purple. The dual speed rotary device designed to address the needs of multiple skin types in one system, because your skin changes with the weather, and buff away all of your dirt and debris in the skin. You can use the lowest speed with the daily cleansing facial brush for a gentle surface cleanse, or use the exfoliating brush head with the highest speed to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a radiant complexion. $129.99 on vanityplanet.com, but I will have a coupon code for you guys, and it will be in the description, of course. definitely get one of these. It will change your skin. It is after cleansing, I'm going to exfoliate. Although I did exfoliate with my spin brush, I want to take the extra step of exfoliating with something that has charcoal, something that is going to help heal up my acne. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. Unclogs your pores, clears your complexion, and it has a salicylic acid, which is what clears up my acne personally. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to put that on my face. And I love this one because it actually foams up. So right now, because I'm breaking out, I'm showing you guys my routine for clearing up my acne. But for the most part, my routine is pretty similar. I'll just switch out the products I'm using according to how my skin is feeling, and I'll just sometimes do less steps, more steps. It really just depends. But for the most part, I remove my makeup the same all the time. I cleanse and I exfoliate, and then I moisturize always. Some days I'll do more exfoliating, some days I'll do more cleansing, some days I'll do masks in between before moisturizer. And then some days I'll really pile on the skincare. So right now, because I have acne, I'm using acne treatments, and this exfoliant I will sometimes leave on my skin a little bit, just so that that salicylic acid kind of works as a face mask before I take it off. So normally after cleansing and exfoliating, I do a mask, because now your pores are open, they're nice and clean, and all of the mask ingredients can really soak into the skin and kind of do its magic. So I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Purifying Black Mask. This is what it looks like, and this is a purifying, refining, decongesting, hydrating, nutrient and mineral rich Irish Moor mask. It helps purify and refine the look of skin. It has volcanic ash and activated charcoal, which draws out toxins and impurities, minimizes the looks of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, and it's for all skin types. So for me, I just feel like because it's decongesting, and it has that charcoal, it's gonna really help kind of draw out anything in my skin that's causing me to break out. It's gonna help dry everything out as well. At the same time, it's gonna hydrate the skin. Sometimes acne skin needs extra hydration, especially when you're using all these different products to kind of dry out the skin and get all the gunk out. So this just feels really nice, and it's not as drying as a mask that dries down or a mask that you have to peel off. This one is more gentle, but still will declog the pores. So I'm just gonna let this sit on my face for a while. We'll remove that, and then we'll finish off with our serums and moisturizers and toners. So it's still a few more steps, but almost done. Okay, so now that our mask is off, I'm gonna go in with toner. I'm using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I love this stuff so much. It actually has real rose petals inside of it. As you can see, when you move it around, it smells absolutely amazing. It smells like roses, and it's really nice and easy to use. Honestly, you can put it just right in your hand, which is what I do. I just put some in my hand, and I just kind of like rub it all in my skin. It's kind of like if serum and water had a baby. That's what it feels like. This is meant to tone your skin, restore the balance in your skin. The rose really soothes the skin. It removes impurities as well as help fade acne scars, and I've noticed that with using this, it really has helped fade my scars as well as prevent new scars. So because I'm breaking out right now, it's the perfect toner to help prevent what I have going on from scarring. So I'm not sure what happened here, but I'm talking about this PIXI Rose Essence Elixir. It is a gel hydrating moisturizer, and I love it. It's really weightless, and it doesn't have much of a smell, but it feels really, really nourishing. So this is what it looks like. And you can see it has those little encapsulated rose particles, and it's just very hydrating, and it feels so nourishing on the skin. It has a very, very light, faint rose scent, and it just feels really hydrating and moisturizing. And I have been using this for about a week and a half, and I love it so much. I really recommend it. I can't wait to see how it improves my skin over time. I'm really enjoying it. It just feels so hydrating and lightweight. And then to top it all off, to really soak in and get my skin really supple and soft and just hydrated throughout the night, I'm gonna go in with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this is like a really thick kind of serum gel sleeping mask, and who doesn't love the way it looks? Isn't it so pretty with that light pink serum with the light pink cap, and it smells absolutely delicious like watermelon. So the actual product is really odd. It's almost like a gel serum. It's very odd. I don't know how to describe it. It kind of looks like jelly, if you can see that. It has like a jelliness. It kind of feels like jelly but oil at the same time. It's really odd. It just feels weird. I'm just gonna put this all over. Stuff smells so good. I really love the scent of watermelon. It just is delicious, and it's super hydrating. And usually this is when I would stop, but because I am breaking out really bad, I'm gonna apply some acne treatments. So I'm gonna use the Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Fast Acting Acne Treatment. This is the benzoyl peroxide treatment. And then I'm also going to use the Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Salicylic Acid Treatment. So salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide are the two kind of most potent things or ingredients that help kill acne. Salicylic acid works best on my skin because I'm quite allergic to benzoyl peroxide. If I use too much for too long, I will get hives. So what I will do is mostly use the salicylic acid. I love this product so much. When I had really bad acne to the point that I looked like this all the time, it was really depressing and it was hard for me. But this product really helped, and I do use quite a bit, but I kind of use it almost like a mask. Like I just put it all over the affected areas. And I love this gel because it kind of dries and seals into your skin. So overnight it really dries out those pimples. But make sure if you are breaking out or you have acne, don't over dry your skin. Sometimes that causes acne. You still want to moisturize, you still want to take care of your skin, and that is going to help actually with your acne. And then I'm going to take a little tiny bit of the benzoyl, just a little bit, on the affected area, because like I said, if I use too much, I get an allergic reaction. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that. And now the final step, I'm just going to spray some of the Mario Badescu Aloe Rose Water Spray. I just feel like this really sets everything in, kind of how you set your makeup. This kind of sets all the skincare, just refreshes me one last time, helps everything kind of settle in, and it just makes me feel good. It smells really nice, and it's just, again, another layer of a product that has kind of those extracts and the rose to calm the skin, calm the acne, and moisturize. I just want to say, it's really hard for me to be on camera like this. I hate people seeing me at my most vulnerable, my most ugly, but it's real life. I don't always look like this. You guys have seen me without makeup before, but sometimes I get really bad breakouts, and it's really hard for me. It takes a toll, but at the same time, it's real life. And I just want to say to anyone battling with any imperfections or flaws that they feel are flaws that kind of wreak havoc on their self-esteem, I just want you to know that you're beautiful, and that does not define you, and the people who love you don't see that. And the people who do see it and who want to make you feel bad about it, you should feel bad for them, because they're the kind of person who lets these outward things affect them, and that's why they're putting it on you. So remember to be confident. Remember to do what you have to do to feel better, whether that's covering with makeup like I do, but don't forget that when you take that makeup off and you look at yourself, you're still beautiful, and these things don't define you. And there's products to help. So I hope this helped you guys. So that's it. I'm gonna go to bed because it is 2 in the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you so much. Don't forget to stay glam, and while you're here, watch another video. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.